Okay guys, so the officer, he will be stopping the car right here, and then when we get in the car, we first adjust our seats, make sure you feel comfortable to drive, check the distance, your arms, okay, and also you can adjust your steering wheels. How? Here you can do like this. It's better to put it low, like here, not too high but low. Okay, so sit first, make sure you feel comfortable, then mirror, and the last one is your seat belt. Okay, now left foot here on the footrest, press the brake and start engine. Now we change to the drive, off the handbrake, and check mirror, blinker to the right side. After blinking, we check left, back window, check right, and also back window. Okay, then we are allowed to start. Off the brake, hands here. Now turn half like this, and foot on the brake, and let's check the back. Nobody coming, don't need to stop. Now from here we start accelerating. Always